Today I'm shooting this video in the evening time as because I wake up late in the morning around 9 a.m. So this is the noon time, not noon actually, afternoon or evening you can say. It's pretty like 5 p.m. So it's like evening. And about the playlist, I have changed the name. The goal is the same, getting to New Zealand, but for the first stage or the first phase I would need to get a job in a big tech like Google, Microsoft, Amazon and all. So for that I am be doing, as you know, doing DSA, grinding lead code and also solving problems. That's the plan. And so for first phase I am renaming or changing the name of this playlist as getting the STE intern or job, something like that. Now coming to the day, today I wake up around 9 a.m. I did some exercise, pretty basic or not much, still I did it. The thing it matters is I do or not. How much I do comes later on. And after that I spent like pretty good amount of time doing lead code problems. I solved like 3 problems. One was kind of finding the most number of occurrence of elements in an array. That's number one problem. And the other was designing your own like hash set instead of using the like template, given built-in template. And the other was designing your own hash map. That's what I did today. And in the noon time I think I spent like here and there, nothing much, but that's the whole thing. I won't focus on what I want to, I just need to focus on the things that I would need to do, as I don't have tuitions these days. So it's pretty like relaxed day, I can say that. And after that, now in the evening time I have plan of doing like development part, building the project. And I also have exams tomorrow, not need to worry about that, but just for me to mention it. So about the thing, am I really optimistic about my goals? I think I am pretty much optimistic. I think I'm improving. DSA is going good. I feel like I need to quit, but it's really a problem. I need to really get it. I don't have an option, nor do I want to like give up, not try. So that's the plan. I won't be giving up. I'll be continuing with the DSA thing and development. Just the thing is, development is getting like weak. I am not doing it much because maybe of energy levels, or in DSA I am going in a system and I have like a dedicated goal, or I know what I will achieve in 3 months, 6 months. But in development I think I don't have that roadmap and I don't think I have energy during the night time, so I would need to change that. Let me see. Okay, things are good. See you tomorrow.